Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today I will show you how to make a good looking custom thumbnail for your YouTube videos. For that we will use a website called Adopt Spark. So first open your Google Chrome and search Adopt Spark. You can see the first link as Adopt Spark. So click on the first link. Now remember that when you're visiting this website first time, it will ask you to sign in. When you're visiting first time, it will show sign in button here. So I have already signed in. You have to sign in with your email ID. So let's scroll down. You can see not only thumbnail, you can make Instagram story, Instagram post, Facebook post, photo collage, etc. But you cannot see the YouTube thumbnail icon. So first you have to choose anything, anyone. Later we will switch to YouTube thumbnail. Okay, let's open it. So as you can see, the the interface is open. First we are not making a Facebook post, we are making a YouTube thumbnail. So first you have to click resize. You can see YouTube thumbnail, select YouTube thumbnail. Now you have to choose background color first. So select color, uh, red. Now I am choosing red because red is an attractive color. If you want your viewers to attract to your videos, so you should choose an attractive color. So I am choosing here red. You can choose any color of your own wish. So I choose background as red. So now I have to add some elements. So I have already downloaded some PNG images. So photos, click upload because it is in your computer. From computer files you are taking an image. Let me search monitor. Sorry, and click the open button. So it will ask you whether you want to pin in the background or move freely. So I'm choosing move freely. So you can see the icon is here. You can change the size of the icon. Let me add some more elements. So as you can see, I have added elements. Now let's add some text. So click on the plus icon and select text. So you can select font from here. So I'm choosing Paul Paul tryouts. Paul tryout. Yeah, edit. So I'm going to write how to you have to adjust your text. You should not write in a single row, otherwise it will not fit. So one or two word in a single row you have to write. Then again you have to press add and you have to type the next text. how to make. So I will skip this part. So as you can see, I have typed the text. Just click on the download button. So it will ask you you want to download as a PNG or JPG. Just PNG and start downloading. Download is solid color. Please start downloading. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, I hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.
Hush.